kind of cold at first, but 30 degrees out here is refreshing. Ah. It's time. And the payoff. I love this view. Check it out. Good morning, Gran Canaria. Good morning. Today we're heading to Las Palmas. It's the capital of Gran Canaria. I want to get some food there, check out the beaches, and show you around.
Toma.
I don't know what happened, but it's already 11 o'clock. While I was editing last night's video, now I gotta get going. It's about a 30-minute drive up around the east coast of the island. Should be pretty spectacular. Another fabulous day here in Gran Canaria. What's really cool is up there in Las Palmas is that it has a 2-kilometer stretch of beach called Playa de las Canteras. It's the best urban beach on this island. It's warm outside. It's already 26 degrees Celsius, and that's around 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Woo! Gran Canaria, let in some of this fresh island air. I love it. One of the great things I noticed here in the Canary Islands, I saw that as well when I was on the island of Tenerife, is that the parking is free. You may have to hunt around for the parking, but you don't pay for the parking, and that's a great bargain. The other thing is that here on these islands, the big major roads, the highways, well, they're free. They don't charge you like you get on mainland Europe where you pay so much to drive on those roads. Here, everything's free. Driving around the Canary Islands, you're reminded that these were formed by volcanoes, and that was also the case over there in Tenerife with that huge peak of Teide. So beautiful, so worth the hike up to the top. Here as well, there's a massive peak in the center of the island, and what that does, in addition to creating these beautiful volcanic landscapes, is it protects the island from strong winds. So a lot of the strong winds you see up in the north, you see it on the east of the island, where the south, that's where the resorts are, and that's where it's protected from the wind and the bad climates, and you get the beautiful temperatures. But also in the north, it's lusher. The coastline is more rugged and more interesting, beautiful for Instagram photos, and keep that in mind when you're planning your vacation to the Canary Islands. I stopped here just south of Las Palmas. It's right up along the coastline. This is a little beach right before you get there, and it's good for windsurfing and surfing. You see a lot of surfers down there. You see some people down there sunbathing, topless. This is called Playa de la Haya. I love to get the drone out, fly it over the ocean. They're a bit windy, but I could do it. Here's a surfer here. How's the surf?
No, small wave. Today is small wave.
They look big to me. So cool. Over on Tenerife, there was a huge van life, a lot of surfers out there having fun. And I met a Swedish couple who comes down there for 3 months, lives in their van, surfs all day. It's a pretty good life. Ugh. I hope it's not as windy in Las Palmas. I think being it's a city, it should be a bit more protected from the wind. The fact that you can just get on and off the major highway like this without paying a toll every time, pop down there, see the beaches, that's a huge bonus. This is Playa de las Canteras. Massive, massive, smooth sand, Saturday vibe. People are stretched out everywhere from up top all the way down. There's a massive promenade so you can walk all up and down, check out the storefronts, get beers, get lunch, cool off, but then come down here to the beach, soak in the sun, hear the waves crashing in. When you get hot, jump out in the water. Smooth, smooth sand. And this is a big urban beach, so you're gonna enjoy. You have all the amenities of a town right there, Las Palmas, the capital city of Gran Canaria, but you have this natural beauty here. People out kicking balls around, jumping in and out of the water. They're snorkeling up the way, scuba diving, everything you want to do. Beach vibe activities here. You get the big buildings all around you here, but once you're down here, it's paradise. You don't notice all that And in fact, it's quite convenient, so you can pop up. There are grocery stores everywhere. Parking's a bit more difficult when you come here. I put my car in a pay-per-hour parking garage. You can hunt around and try to find some free spots where you're gonna be eating into your beach time. Chill out for a few hours, bring a few barley pops down there, pop them open, drink them at the beach while you're watching the waves come rolling in. So it could be hit and miss. If you're staying in the southern part of the island, maybe check the forecast before you make the 30-minute drive up here. But when you come up here, if it's a good day, don't worry, because there are plenty of spaces. Put your blanket down and just chill out. And the great thing about Spanish beaches, especially compared to those Italian beaches, is that they're all free. In Italy, you have so many Lido beaches where it's all private. They're charging by hour, by the day, and it can be super expensive to get a spot on the beach, and the public beach spots are very limited. But here in Spain, this whole paradise is yours. So I've come here to ask for a cappuccino. I thought this one is mine, but she's told me to hold. I think something special is coming up. Look at that. Muchas gracias. I love Spain. It's kind of cold at first, but 30 degrees out here is refreshing. Now if the water seems calm out there, it's because there's a big reef out there called La Barra, and that protects this shore right here, and it makes for some easy swimming. Especially, you see a lot of kids out there. Further on, back that way to the other end, it's less protected, and in fact that's where the bigger waves are, and that's where the surfers hang out. The old dorada especial. Bam, already ordered fish tacos and baby squid from the grill. Está bueno. Good. Yeah, so good. Let's do it. To all of you who've given me a super thanks, that really helps support me buying more beer. No, it supports the channel and helps the community grow. So thank you for the super thanks. If you're liking this video, also give it a thumbs up as well. Drop down in the comments, what's your favorite Spanish beer? Have you ever had beer from Spain? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would recommend it here because you're gonna have plenty of lodging options in this town, inexpensive lodging, and you have 4 kilometers of beach at Canteras here, so you can stretch out, find your space, and there are plenty of beach activities as well, given it's such a massive beach. But on the south side, you're gonna be more secure of good weather. So if you have a 7-day or even a 10-day or 2-week vacation in Gran Canaria, try booking 2-3 days up here in the north. The rest of your holiday down in the south, like Playa del Ingles. That's where I'm staying this time. If you wanna know more about the cost of traveling to Spain, I made a video about it here.